Hi, this is Luke Russell here with TradeAlgo, where we use alternative trading systems to identify winning market opportunities each and every day. ATSs are private exchanges that large institutional investors, such as big banks or hedge funds, will trade on, unaccessible to the investing public. So it leaves the retail market completely in the dark when it comes to both speed and transparency of information. It'll cause people to chase stocks and options a majority of their trading experience. Well, here at TradeAlgo, our elite machine learning technology is able to identify the top large, mid, and small cap opportunities in both of the trending up and down sides of the equation, so that way people can much more confidently and successfully trade stocks and options following smart money transactions. Well, let's go ahead and take a look at the trending downside of the equation. Very bearish day today, Thursday, October the 19th. We see the TQs popping up here on the TradeAlgo main dashboard at tradealgo.com. Nearly 130% increase in institutional bearish volume. So no surprises, the stock is down nearly 5% as a result. If we go to the TradeAlgo alerts tab, we can see that the TQs was identified at 12:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time with a huge institutional bearish signal. So speed and transparency are key. They're critical here. If we go to the TQ's real-time chart, right here is around 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and you can see the huge directional move that it makes afterwards. Well, the reason our technology is able to pick up on it with speed and transparency is because in these private exchanges, usually only about $2.49 billion of the stock is traded. And that's over a previous 7-day average. Today alone, October the 19th, it was 3.22 billion. So it's nearly $1 billion extra dollars in a fraction of the amount of time. So no wonder it's making that large move. If you had followed smart money transactions, let's say you had done some put options, right over here, this is around 1 p.m. So options are hanging at around 27 to 28 cents. At its maximum, that's about a 234% return. But it's not about squeaking every last percentage point out of it. The market moves very quickly. It's about having the information down here with TradeAlgo so you can make better, smarter trading decisions as opposed to trying to chase it all the way over here after it's moved 200%. For example, maybe you didn't get in the trade until 1:35 p.m. and then maybe you hopped out early at a nice triple-digit return. That's still a great trade. Get your data down here, stop chasing it over here. And it wasn't just the TQs, there were many other opportunities, but we don't have time to go through all of them. Let's just take a look at maybe one more to kind of wrap up the day here. We have ENPH at the very top of the TradeAlgo dashboard at tradealgo.com. Huge increase in institutional bearish pressure. Stock drops almost 20%. Well, if we go to ENPH's real-time chart, you can see a lot of that was coming after hours. The stock dropped from about 116 all the way down to about $99. So it'd be helpful and beneficial to have the information over here, wouldn't it? Otherwise, you'll be trying to chase it tomorrow after the market opens on Friday. If we go to our TradeAlgo Alerts tab, we can see that ENPH was identified at around 11:48 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. 1.83 times the average amount of institutional bearish pressure there. Now, what ended up happening, the reason that the stock is dropping so much after hours, is because Enphase recently announced that they were going to be, for their upcoming earnings report, they were going to be cutting their earnings, saying that they were going to make a lot less than they had anticipated. So it's very bearish news. You can see this article that's coming out almost right at the market close. Very difficult to get your news on time, get those orders in. What you need is the information all the way over here, as opposed to getting it right here as the market's closing, or worse, which is trying to chase it tomorrow. You can actually see that 94% of the transactions that were done today were put options. If we go see some of the larger institutional orders that were placed, look at all these multi-million dollar orders that are all coming in on puts, and a lot of them are being bought. Now, if you had followed along with smart money transactions on that one, those should pay out pretty handsomely tomorrow in the triple-digit range. We also sent out alerts to our users. We don't necessarily have time to go through all of those, but we sent out an alert on the $360 put option for the Qs today. A lot of people were sharing success stories with us. This user up 100% on the alerts that we sent directly to them today. This user up over 190%. Guys, stop getting your information too late. Stop seeing only a portion of the market and come join the winning team here at TradeAlgo so you can find out how to get access to opportunities like these each and every day. Give us a call to find out how you can run through a one-on-one demonstration with a lead system analyst, or how you can attend any one of our free live webinars that take place every single day, Monday through Friday. Thanks, guys.